Hello everyone. Good morning. I'm Dr. Shruti. I'm Chief Dermatologist practicing at Skin Summit Clinic, Rajajinagar, Bangalore. Today I'm here to educate you about skin care for Gen Z. So who constitute the Gen Z population? Gen Z population is constituted by the lads who are born between the late 90s and the early 2000s. So what is the prototype of the Gen Z population? Gen Z population are the most emotionally liable and the most tech savvy people. These are the people who are born amidst chat GPT generation. They are the ones who have a lot of access to social media in the form of getting information about skincare from social media influencers, TikTokers, as well as Instagram influencers. This is the generation which believes in what is called as prejuvenation, which is nothing but starting early skincare right from the age of 20 to reduce acne, tanning, as well as to improve aging skin. Is so much of information available all over social media a boon or a bane? You should always remember that information which is available from the right sources is always difficult to get and is a boon. But nowadays, a lot of unauthenticated information is available everywhere, which is considered a bane rather than a boon. What are the skincare tips that you should follow belonging to the current Gen Z? Always maintain a skincare routine. So, skincare routine should start with an AM routine followed by a PM routine. An AM routine consists of a cleanser followed by a moisturizer followed by a broad spectrum sunscreen, which is 30 or 50 based on whatever your dermatologist prescribes. And a PM routine usually has a cleanser, a moisturizer, and a night serum, which could either be a retinol based one or a niacinamide based one, which is given to you by your dermatologist based on your skin type. Also, sun protection. Sun protection, yes, is mandatory because your skin ages faster than what your actual age is. So, sunscreen usage is mandatory. So, what is a smart approach to acne? Following a routine including a cleanser, an oil-free cleanser, a lightweight non-comedogenic moisturizer, a non-comedogenic sunscreen, eating the right food, reducing the stress levels, and avoiding refined sugar can go in a long way in reducing the acne. Know your skin type. So, first of all, whatever your skin type as proclaimed to you by a dermatologist, whether it's an oily skin, a dry skin, or a combination skin, a routine should be prescribed as per this. For an oily skin, you should use an oil control or a oil foaming face wash, followed by a lightweight moisturizer, followed by a non-comedogenic sunscreen. For a dry skin, you should use a gentle cleanser, followed by a rich moisturizer. For a combination skin, always use a gentle balancing cleanser followed by a lightweight moisturizer to make sure that it doesn't clog your pores. What is the right kind of diet that you should follow for to reduce aging skin as well as for acne? So fruits which usually should include apple, berries, bananas, pomegranates, green tea, mackerel, fatty fish, all of this could help in going a long way in reducing aging as well as good amount of sleep, that is 8 to 9 hours of sleep, and managing the stress level. All these are essential for promoting anti-aging as well as acne-free skin. Skincare tips that you should avoid. So as Gen Z, you have access to a lot of information. So simply use of products which are available over the counter, use of a lot of over the counter cleansers or over cleansing could irritate your skin, break your barrier, make your skin permanently damaged, and make you prone to more of dry skin as well as acne issues. Using too many products, using too many cosmetics, because a lot of cosmetics are available over the counter, can make you predisposed to acne. Jumping from one skincare routine to another skincare routine could also damage the skin, make it more prone to blemishes, and make you get acne on a repeated outset. No matter what your source of information is, make sure the ingredients contain the following products in your skincare routine. That is, you should have ingredients for acne including a benzoyl peroxide to reduce your acne, salicylic acid to hasten the acne removal. Also, your skincare should have non-irritant comedogenic moisturizers. Make sure it has the adequate percentage of ceramides, niacinamide to reduce the inflammation, glycolic acid and lactic acid to soften the skin and also to improve exfoliation. What are the ingredients that you should avoid in your routine skincare? Too much of fragrances, parabens, phthalates, octinoxate, and unless a hydroquinone is prescribed to you by a dermatologist, you should not be using it on your own. Skincare is a journey. It's always a process. Beautiful skin is a destination. It's not always a miracle. So, using an information from the right credible source would be by visiting a board certified dermatologist, getting a routine skincare routine, giving them a proper history, telling them what all medications you have previously used, not interfering with the treatment, following up with them right. Don't let your emotions impair your skincare routine or weaken you. Remember that it's a destination which is always requiring a lot of consistency and effort from your side.